Imagine standing before the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the most iconic monuments in the world. It's been standing for over 4,500 years, yet despite centuries of study, we still don't know everything about it. The secrets inside the pyramids remain elusive, and even with advanced technology, we've only scratched the surface. So why do we still not know what's inside these incredible structures? The Great Pyramid was built for Pharaoh Khufu during Egypt's 4th dynasty. It's an engineering marvel made up of millions of massive stone blocks. For centuries, archaeologists thought the purpose of the pyramid was clear, a tomb for Khufu. But as we continue to study it, the pyramid raises even more questions. How were these colossal structures built with such precision? And more importantly, what's hidden inside them? The mystery is not just about the outside, but what lies beneath the surface. Early explorers were able to enter the pyramids through narrow, steep tunnels. Giovanni Belzoni, one of the first to explore the Great Pyramid in the 19th century, discovered key chambers like the King's Chamber. But these early investigations were limited. The passages were small, and the chambers were few. For many years, these were the only spaces that were explored. While the pyramid structure was known, the more mysterious inner spaces remained largely untouched. But as technology advanced, so did our ability to investigate deeper without physically entering the pyramid. In recent years, advancements in technology have allowed us to look inside the pyramid without causing any damage. One of the most exciting tools is muon tomography. Muons are subatomic particles that come from cosmic rays, and as they pass through materials, they reveal hidden spaces. In 2017, researchers used this technology to reveal an incredible discovery: a massive, previously unknown void inside the Great Pyramid. This void is located above the Grand Gallery and is about the size of a large chamber. What exactly is in this hidden space? We don't know yet, but this discovery raises exciting new possibilities about what could be hidden within the pyramid's walls. So what could be in these hidden chambers? There are several theories. Some believe they could contain artifacts or treasures from Khufu's time. Others think they could be part of the pyramid's design, created to help distribute the immense weight of the stone blocks. Some researchers even speculate these chambers might reveal something about the ancient Egyptians' religious beliefs or their knowledge of astronomy, as the pyramid is aligned with stunning precision to the stars. While we can't say for sure what lies inside, the idea that there are still secrets to uncover keeps the mystery alive. So why should we care about these hidden chambers? The pyramids are more than just ancient tombs. They are a window into a civilization that was far more advanced than we sometimes give it credit for. Every discovery we make about the pyramids teaches us more about the ancient Egyptians' knowledge of architecture, astronomy, and engineering. Unraveling the mysteries inside could help us understand how these monumental structures were built and the culture that created them. As new technologies continue to emerge, we may one day uncover the full secrets of the Great Pyramid. But for now, its mysteries remain, challenging us to look deeper and think harder about what we know and what we still have to discover. The pyramids are not just ancient wonders. They are an ongoing puzzle that continues to captivate and inspire people around the world. Even if we never fully uncover all their secrets, that mystery is part of their power. The Great Pyramid of Giza remains an awe-inspiring monument, standing as a testament to the ingenuity of an ancient civilization.